love it. I do video, I do all of our social media. I actually just shot images on here and printed a 4-color brochure, so it's fantastic. I have the prints, I have the aerial, I can't say enough about it.
I have Virtue Gem, and I'm one of the co-founders. It is a project working in Zambia, Kenya, and Malawi, and we have been shipping gem light boxes to these countries so that the miners and traders can bring their gemstones in and have them shot right there in the gem light box, and we can upload them to the website, and then they're available internationally for them to sell.
I'm one of the early customers who bought this box, and I'm so happy. I'm using for the last 3 years, and I cannot tell you like how much it helped me my business, improve my business, because I can send the videos and pictures through email, WhatsApp, or messaging so quickly. They see the stones, and a lot of times I sell the stones by these videos itself. So this gem box has helped me a lot, and today I came here to buy this gem book more, because I want to upgrade my quality again. I'm so happy to have this,
I think it's a game changer. I mean, I've been in this industry for a long time, and one of the most challenging aspects is to get good photography. So shooting gems, shooting jewelry has always been hard if you were not a professional photographer. And with this unit here, we have the clips that we've been working with. It has really made so many things, from shooting findings to shooting gems and shooting finished jewelry easy, and people just love it. They love it.
I took a moment to check out the Gem Lightbox at the Gem Lightbox booth, and these things are awesome. Like, I've never seen such clear photos of my gems, and I'm so excited to try this out at home. I think it's really good for our products, and I think I'm just really excited to see what shiny stuff I'm able to take photos with both the loop and the Lightbox. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your products.
Well, I'm Tanya Newbold of Del Pozo Jewelry, and I absolutely love the Gem Lightbox. It has been a game changer with my business. I can now photograph all of my jewelry. It is so professional. There's now the ability to remove the background, add in your own details, and it will add some in custom for you. You can add different backgrounds, upload it to Instagram. You can send it instantly to the clients. But the really exciting thing is they have a brand new feature, which is a try-on feature. So when you send that to your clients and they open it up, let's say for a ring, they can put their hand, it's going to look like they're actually wearing that ring. So what a fantastic way to do business without being in the same room. So I think this is the best product on the market. And if you want to up your game, you need to get one.
Yeah, I think it's great. It's really helped me improve my online presence, taking scores, probably hundreds of videos and photos of my jewelry. It's a great product, really helpful staff. Whenever we need questions, they're very responsive, and everyone should try it out. I think new generation, you need to try this out.